Hello, all. Welcome to this digital marketing training demo session. I'll be teaching you what digital marketing is, what are the present trends in digital marketing, how can you advertise on digital marketing, how can you perform as search engine optimization on digital marketing, what are the Google guidelines, what is Google algorithm, what are YouTube ads, what are Facebook ads, what is social media marketing, what is affiliate marketing, what is email marketing, and how you can actually make money or get a job or work as a freelancer. Okay, so before we actually get into all the topics of digital marketing, let me first of all give you a brief introduction about what actually digital marketing is and why the uh, digital marketing is trending right now in this kind of a situation. So let us get to the subject. My name is Srinivas. I'm a digital marketing trainer. I have been teaching students in digital marketing since 5 years. I also work on web designing product projects and also digital marketing projects. I also run a consultancy where resume building and job opportunities are shown to the students. I have a digital marketing course in my website vcube.in. You can go there and look at the details about the course. I teach digital marketing on a live platform, that is, I have already registered a domain and I have taken a hosting plan. I will be giving admin privileges for the students to actually go and do a hands on these websites. So one will be a blog, one will be a static website, and one will be a e-commerce website. So now let us understand the basic things about digital marketing. First of all, what is marketing? Marketing means nothing but promoting of products and services. Means if you have got a product you want to sell, or you have a service, like product means like mobile phones, televisions, or say products could be vegetables nowadays and all that in big basket. So either if you have a product or a tie-up with some product manufacturing company, or you are a dealer or a distributor, or if you have a service like a software service, application development, or IT software development, then you can promote these products using so many channels. So the basic channels which we generally know are, the first thing is the newspapers. We see a lot of ads in newspapers about so many products and so many things. Then the radio is there. We in the middle of songs we listen to some ads. Okay, and then you must have seen so many hoardings and all that on the road. There are big banners with a lot of advertisement, celebrities and all that promoting products. Also in between the newspapers there are some flyers also which are put to promote products. And most popular is television. Say between the news channels programs there are some ads which come. So these are the television video ads. But what is the disadvantage in this traditional marketing is, when the advertisement of a car, say Mercedes Benz, is coming, and a 9-year-old, 10-year-old, or 15-year-old kid is watching that, it doesn't make much sense, because he cannot anyway purchase this car. So there are so many ads like that. There are jewelry ads which are targeted actually to female audience, but mostly they are shown even to 60, 70-year-old men and 8-year-old, 10-year-olds. So the targeting aspect is not very much prominent in traditional marketing. So when it comes to digital marketing, I will tell you the advantages, how to overcome these difficulties. The other difficulty also in the traditional marketing in newspapers and TVs is, they don't know how many people have seen the ad and how many people have responded. So they cannot calculate the return on investment, how much they have spent money on the ads and how much profit they have made out of these ads. So that is a major advantage. Also in some scenarios the agreement goes for 1 month, 2 month, or 1 years together, and they cannot pause these campaigns or the ads or anything. So there comes the prominence of digital marketing, where we can overcome all these difficulties. How? Okay, digital marketing, what it is actually. So when it comes to digital marketing, marketing on the digital platform, here digital platform means on the internet. Okay, even television is a digital platform, but here digital marketing actually means only on the internet. So in the internet we have seen Google ads, we have seen Facebook ads, YouTube. When we start a YouTube video, there is an ad which comes and says skip ad. So this is a advertisement on the digital network. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is promoting products and services on the internet. Definitely internet is a connection of all the computers and servers in this world, and every system is connected. So the reach is very high. Reach in the sense, you can actually target a person or a potential client who is in the US by sitting at your home in India with a laptop and an internet connection. So you can create awareness about your product or a service to him. So there is no geographical boundary or any constraints to stop you from reaching that client. So marketing on the internet, promoting, advertising on the internet, all this money, making money on the internet. We are listening about so many things saying that you can make a lot of money on the internet and all that. Maybe not a lot of money with the kind of skill. It totally depends upon how skillful you are and how creative you are. Okay. So what will you be learning in this course? You will be learning how to do advertising, that is Google ads and Facebook ads. You will be learning organic, that is called SEO, search engine optimization. You will also be learning affiliate marketing, how to associate with Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra. There are so many e-commerce websites who are offering good programs. They will pay commission to you after you sell their products either on WhatsApp or Facebook or Google ads, your website, anywhere. Then we'll talk about link building, how we can create a link with, we create a, sorry, list with, this is list building. Create a list with a lot of emails and then send, shoot 1 lakh emails at one go. Okay. Since Gmail has got a restriction of 2000 mails per day, we cannot use Google Gmail for email marketing. Okay. So now, what are the modules that are going to be part of this digital marketing training? The first and foremost is website design. So designing a website, that is one blog we will be doing, one static website, and one e-commerce website. Since e-commerce has gained a lot of popularity, e-commerce website, we will be designing all these three with a tool called, or a content management system called, WordPress. So WordPress is a very popular CMS. It is called CMS, content management system. Let me show you some of the websites that I have enabled students to design, and some I have only taken up the projects. This is for Suzuki Vaishnavi Automobiles. They wanted a website with COVID safety precautions, that they are actually following COVID safety precautions right now in their service center, the hygienic standards and the sanitizing and wearing the mask and all those things. So they wanted me to create with highlighting those COVID safety guidelines. So this is the website that is created for them, and their services being explained. So all these kinds of websites we can create in WordPress without any coding knowledge. This is my business website, vcube.in. Here all the services and all the training modules and everything are explained. You can put in your email ID and submit, so that I'll get a response from you. I have got a Facebook, Twitter handle and YouTube channel also. I have got a demo video here. Okay. So then I have actually registered a live platform. This is the live platform where you can perform a lot of things like adding a video, adding a picture, creating a paragraph, a text, adding a Google map to your website without any coding or any HTML, CSS, Java scripts on all those stuff. So here, if you see, I'll just demonstrate how you can actually add a video to this section. If you want to add a video here, okay, so this is divided into sections. You can actually add a section by clicking a plus symbol here, and then the red plus symbol. Here you can select a section, and then on the left there are so many elements like videos, images and all that. So if I just drag it and drop it here, you will have a video on your website. So we can also get videos from YouTube and paste them here without any copyright issues. and then the video there will play on your website. So this is how we will be doing website design using WordPress. We will create a e-commerce website, we will apply coupons, we will add products, we will do all that. Apart from that, we will also create a blog where we will be posting a lot of articles. So how a blog will be designed, and all that also we will look at. So we will also be creating a static company website where there will be a contact form where the details of the visitors are collected there. Okay. So this is what starting module will be. It will be about website design. Then we will move into a topic called SEO, which is called as search engine optimization. Search engine optimization means optimizing your page in such a way, well, not page, website in such a way that there as per the it is as per the guidelines of Google, and comes on top of the search engine results page, which is also called as SERP. Okay, I'll just show you. So whenever you go to google.com and search for something, uh, there are a lot of results which show up in this format. Okay, so what are these results? These results are called Google search results. Okay, so you can see the first two are ads, there is an ad symbol, and then there are some results called map results, and then there are organic results. These are the SEO results which come up. Okay, so we will be discussing on how to perform SEO on page optimization, and also off page optimization is something getting backlinks to your website. So what are backlinks? Whenever somebody clicks on a link which you have given in some articles or anything, in forum submission websites like Quora, which is becoming very popular, Quora or something, then if somebody clicks and lands onto your website, that is considered as a backlink. Okay, so we will be seeing how we can create such backlinks and get to our website actually. Okay, after that we will be going into SEM, which is called as search engine marketing, where Google Ads is the prominent thing. We will be looking at Google Ads dashboard. We will be creating text ads, video ads, and display ads, which will text ads will be shown on Google search engine results page here, and display ads are shown on the Google display network, and the video ads are shown on the YouTube. That is the video that also comes part of display network, but it is sometimes called as the video network, where you can see so search ads like so you can see video ads. Okay, so all this is done through Google Ads. This is the dashboard of Google Ads, which is loading up. See here, I've got clicks, impressions. One of my ad which I have created, I'll just show you. So I'll be showing you live data, and I'll also create accounts for you. See here, I have done this. When I click on this, they'll be landing onto this website. Okay, after this we will get into social media marketing, where we will look at Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Insta ads, Instagram ads is becoming very popular nowadays. In Facebook, there are so many ads which you can create, video and picture ads. Instagram, you can create news feed ads on news feed and stories. We will be looking at that. We will also be looking at Twitter, and also the professional network LinkedIn by Microsoft. So we will be looking at all these ads. Then we will be looking at something called affiliate marketing. So performing all these techniques and using all these techniques to promote somebody else's products, like say Amazon. Amazon has got its own affiliate program. So we'll be looking at how to register for that. Let me first of all show you social media marketing, how the ads manager looks like for Facebook. So this is the ads managers which is loading up here. There are the campaigns which are running right now, and the ads look like something like this. So this is the call only campaign I'm running, and then the ad, if you want to see, just click on the ad and then click on preview, and this is the ad which shows up, and you can see where all it is showing up. You can create this for Instagram stories also, and seen as an Instagram stories, it will show you whether it can uh, run on the Instagram stories or not, and you can customize your ads in such a way. See, this is showing on the Instagram. So that is social media marketing. And affiliate marketing, I'll be showing how to uh, link up with Amazon and all that. through the associate program, Amazon Associates. There are two things in Amazon: associate and seller account. Seller account if you want to sell products, associate account if you want to earn commission. Then we will be looking at email marketing, where I've already told you that we will be sending a bulk of emails using a tool called MailChimp and GetResponse. GetResponse. Then afterwards, finally, we will look at Google Webmaster Tools and Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is a free platform by Google where you can check how much traffic is coming onto your website, from where they are coming onto your website, whether they are coming from an Apple iOS phone or an Android phone, and which location they are coming, what are the demographics of them, and all those things. So all these things will be taught to you. Uh, Subscribe to my channel VCube Lite and go to vcube.in for further details and give your email ID. I'm running some offers right now, about 50% off on this training right now. So you can take advantage of that. Thank you guys. Be safe. Hope you have understood all the concepts. It is a brief demo. I'll be teaching all this in depth. Okay. Thank you very much.